Hey, so one tool we love at Fin is Zapier for doing really short integrations or business process management. And now that we have a really cool Fin API out in the wild, I thought it'd be fun to make a buy button so that I can use my browser, look at any web page, click a button, and have it bought and sent to me using Fin for, of course, holiday shopping. So I'm going to do this live. It might be a little rough in places, but humor me. It should be informative. So the first thing I'm going to do is log in with my Fin account. Let me back out of this because I preloaded it a little prematurely. I can click here to generate a token, generate my API token, copy that. And then if I want to make a Zapier integration, you can just click this link out. And the first thing you have to do is accept the invitation to build with Zapier. All right, here we are in a Zapier account. So now that I've kind of like set that up, I need to add the Zapier button. They have a cool little button here. So I'm going to hit this, add it to Chrome, add the extension here. All right, so now I have this little Zapier button and I've permissioned Fin into Zapier. I'm gonna make a push zap. This again means I can use this button to do whatever I need. So I'm gonna say, cool, I'm gonna name this zap buy it Fin button right there. Set the trigger. All right, so this will be a new trigger with text, fine. So I wanna be able to drop a little text in on my note to just give me extra directions, set up push. All right, continue. All right, pull samples. All right, so now I'm gonna hit this button up here. Oh, I have my testing buy it Fin button. I'm gonna say like, buy this thing, send. That should set it up, let's see. Sweet, pulls it in. Great, I'm gonna continue. Now I'm gonna take the action step. Now if I did this right, I've permissioned in Fin. There it is, Fin. Great. And I'm going to use that button push to create a request using the Fin API. The request should say, buy this thing for me. And I have this text here that comes from the button, so details, in case I have like any specific directions, quantity, whatever. And then I need to point to the page and pull the page in, so title, and I also need the text, obviously. Oh no, we already have the text. I also need the URL. So URL. All right, so now once I've done this, which is super quick, obviously, sure, send test to Fin. Let's see if this works. So I'm gonna hit send test to Fin. All right, that test was sent. Let's see if Fin acknowledged it. Sorry, I'm not going to show you my personal email to do this, but I can show you my Fin dashboard. It should show up in the dashboard as well as soon as it's acknowledged. Yep, here it is. Cool, so this worked. I can say disregard this. Do not need. Great. All right, so now let's do this for real, just as an example. And that was like, what, a few minutes to set up this cool little integration. Now, one thing I actually do want to buy for my son is Polo and the Dragon. He loves these Polo books. So I found this book already. Now if I want Fin to buy it, all I can say is say up here, why is this not showing up? Oh, I know why. Because I probably still have to turn on the Zap. Where is it? Where is it? Here it is. Okay, so the reason that it didn't show up is because my Zap is off. So what I'm gonna do is hit finish, and I'm gonna turn my Zap on. Great. Now the Zap is on. Let's go back to Polo and the Dragon. So I'm going to go to Polo and the Dragon here. I'm going to click my Zap button. Up, there it is. Buy it Fin button. I'm going to do that and say one copy, send to office, send, and ta-da! That's awesome. So that just got dispatched to Fin as a request from the browser. If I refresh here, let's just see. Yep, Fin API request. Buy this for me, one copy, send to office, Polo and the Dragon, Dune, Fin is done, and I just bought a page.